The holiday season is fast approaching, and Christmas shopping is in full swing. With deals popping up left and right, it can be tricky to find meaningful gifts that don't make holes in your wallet. So, we've rounded up the best discounted tools and gadgets guaranteed to delight the DIYers and handymen in your life. Keep watching as we reveal a hand-picked selection of home improvement must-haves, all perfect for gifting and at special holiday sale prices. Give the gift of superior sound and safety this Christmas with Milwaukee Red Lithium USB Jobsite earbuds. Having OSHA-certified hearing protection, customizable comfort, and Bluetooth 5.1, these earbuds will be your mate's favorite companion on the work site. And now, they are available at a festive price of $179.99, which was previously priced at $272 exclusively at Acme Tools. Elevate your metal cutting game with the Hilti Nuron Cordless Metal Cutting Circular Saw SC6ML22. With a powerful 4,000 revolutions per minute, it effortlessly slices through metal up to 2 3/8 inches deep. And now, you can get this at a discounted price of $310 on Hilti's official website. So grab the deal.
Did you know that 72% of visitors are more likely to make their purchases soon after watching a product video? This makes it necessary to have a product demonstration or promo video for showcasing your product's potential values and benefits. At Product Video Studio, we are equipped with camera gear, tools, and most importantly, expertise to make your video captivating and engaging. Just send your products and we'll handle the rest. Contact us today to create something amazing together.
Upgrade your toolkit with the DeWalt Impact Connect PVC PEX cutter attachment, a cost-effective solution for effortless pipe cutting. Compatible with any impact driver, it handles up to 2-inch Schedule 80 PVC, simplifying your projects. Now, at a discounted price of $99 on Acme Tools, it's a budget-friendly essential for plumbing tasks. Metabo HPT 18V Triple Hammer Impact Driver, the ultimate solution for efficient driving and bolt handling. With its compact design and a retail price slashed from $179 to $129 at Acme Tools, it's the unbeatable choice for professionals seeking top-notch performance without breaking the bank. Experience precision and performance with the Ridgid 18-volt track saw, a must-have for pros priced at $399 and available at Home Depot. It offers excellent value and confidence in results. Plus, with Ridgid's lifetime service agreement, it's a smart investment for your woodworking needs. Upgrade your toolkit with the Milwaukee Faucet Swap-Out Wrench, your go-to for hassle-free faucet swaps in tight spots. Priced at a wallet-friendly $29.97 on Acme Tools. It's not just a steal, it's a practical investment. So grab yours one today. Equip yourself with the Klein Tools Premium Electrical Test Kit, a must-have for both pros and DIY enthusiasts. Priced at less than $50 on Acme Tools, this kit includes essential tools like the MM320 digital multimeter, NCV 13P voltage tester with an LED flashlight, and the RT250 for GFCI receptacle testing. This Christmas, gift mechanics the power of flex. A robust 24-volt brushless impact wrench, packing 600 feet-pounds of torque in a convenient cordless package. With ample fastening force and handy features like auto stop, it takes on virtually any automotive job. Buy just the bare tool for $199, or get the complete kit with case and lithium battery for only $299 at Acme Tools. Ryobi's 730 CFM leaf blower is a game-changing gift for DIYers, delivering gas-rivaling power at an amazingly quiet 76 decibels. This convenient cordless model offers outstanding performance, includes 2 long-lasting 4 amp-hour batteries, compatible with Ryobi's suite of lawn tools, and is now available for $329 directly through Ryobi's website. So no more noisy gas blowers? No need to shovel this holiday when Skil's PWRCore 40 snowblower is now under $400 from Acme Tools. This powerful 20-inch single-stage thrower with a brushless motor easily clears snow up to 30 feet. With 180-degree shoot control, built-in LED light, and foldable handle, it's the perfect gift to conquer winter storms. Gift high-powered cleaning without the noise and fumes. Greenworks 3000 PSI electric pressure washer rivals gas models in performance, powered by a brushless motor. Conveniently designed for homeowners and PWMA certified, it tackles dirty siding, patios, cars, and more. This workhorse is now under $400 at a discount price on Amazon, a steal. This self-leveling Skil crossline laser takes the frustration out of leveling DIY projects. Providing bright green vertical and horizontal lines, it ensures workpieces are perfectly straight for mounting cabinets, shelves, wall art, and more. Get this at $99 from Amazon now, as it's the ideal foolproof gift for DIYers this Christmas. Here comes the BOSCH 65 measure, the gift of precision for DIYers. This laser distance measure saves time providing super accurate readings to 65 feet. Pocket-sized with a backlit display, it handles low-light conditions with ease. Take the hassle out of measuring jobs this Christmas. Now just $39 from Amazon, a total bargain. The WORX Pegasus is the ultimate transforming workstation for any handyman. This lightweight yet sturdy table doubles as a sawhorse and folds for storage and portability. Great for home repairs and perfect for small spaces, it's now under $100 on Amazon. At this price, it makes an extremely useful gift this Christmas. Next up is Skil Rechargeable 4-volt cordless screwdriver, a perfect pocket-sized gift for DIYers. This rechargeable cordless screwdriver powers through projects with 9 included drill bits and an LED light. Weighing under 1 pound, this USB charging driver does the job without the bulk of an electric drill. It's ideal for small tasks and storage, so grab this for just $28 on Amazon. Give sore hands a Christmas break. Power through fabrics, yarns, and more with the rechargeable WORX WX 081L ZipSnip scissors. Weighing just 1 pound, these convenient cordless scissors hold a charge for months and slice easily at the push of a button. Now only $42 on Amazon. They're the perfect gift for crafters. Tackle dirty jobs with hand protection. These durable Ironclad gloves shield knuckles from impact and secure tightly to palms with a hook and loop closure. Perfect for automotive, carpentry, gardening tasks, and more DIY this Christmas. Usually $19, now on Amazon, they make great gifts that you can easily purchase at $19. Meet this versatile Milwaukee's M12 Hackzall reciprocating saw, which is the ideal gift for DIYers this Christmas. Weighing under 7 pounds for comfortable one-handed use, its compact size handles awkward spaces easily. Get at the discounted $71 on Amazon. Its versatility lets it power through PVC, drywall, tree limbs, and more, with its convenient cordless design. The ultimate carry-on for travelers, the Matador Globerider 45 suitcase effortlessly transforms from plane to trail. With a 45-liter capacity and intelligently designed interior pockets, this recycled bag meets airline dimensions, yet carries all your essentials. Now $350 from Matador's official website, it's the perfect gift for globe-trotting loved ones. Lastly, we have the DeWalt Atomic 20-volt cordless drill kit. It's the perfect Christmas gift for DIYers, now only $139 from Amazon. With 2 batteries, a charger, and a storage bag, and capable of handling most drilling and driving tasks, it's a useful addition to any home toolkit at a holiday season steal. So, these were all the tools gift ideas for Christmas 2023. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you found this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.